Hi, this is Paul with Halo Car Lifts. Today, I'm going to walk you through what you can expect when you receive your lift. As you can see, we have a 2-post 10K clear floor here and our 4-post HL9K XL behind it. As you see, we do our best to package our lifts from our warehouse as best as possible. We have cardboard, we have saran wrap, and they come strapped. So this is what ideally you will be receiving when you get it received here on a box truck. These crates on the outside, they are for shipping purposes only. Once you start unloading and unboxing your lift, these will be disposed of along with the bolts that attach the lift to the crate. But we'll walk you through here. There's a sticker underneath on the clear floors. We do include a shipping container there that blocks it from any damage during transport. If there is a small damage on this, there's no problem. We do have a cover inside that is used to replace that cover if it is damaged in transport. Whether you're ordering our standard XL, our Pro, or a Pro XL, they will all be arriving in this similar fashion. They're gonna be shipping crates holding the runways on the top and bottom, and all the rest of the items are gonna be included inside. Again, we do our best to protect the lift during transport. You'll see cardboard, strapping, and saran wrap to avoid any cosmetic damages that may be caused during transport. The average weight is 16 to 2,200 pounds, so the manner in which they are handled from our terminal to your delivery address or to the terminal where you're picking up from, they do have to be handled with a forklift, so some minor cosmetic damages can happen. We will have a separate video that will address those, but this is how you will receive your 4-post lift.